afternoon, and we will check in with Chief Meteorologist Mark Weinberg in just a moment. But first, to some breaking news we have been following this afternoon. JCPS officials testified today that the start of the school year could be delayed until November if a judge decides to block the district's new busing plan.
WDRB's Stefan Johnson tells us it comes just days before the first day of school begins. Stefan?
And the case has made its way inside a federal courtroom. It is all part of this federal lawsuit filed on behalf of parents who oppose the district's new busing plan. Today, Jefferson County school leadership said granting a temporary restraining order would be a major problem. The hearing is part of a federal civil rights lawsuit filed on behalf of two JCPS parents who said their children who were set to attend magnet schools like Male and Manual may now have to enroll in less desirable neighborhood schools due to the lack of bus service. Meanwhile, JCPS officials said if the temporary restraining order is granted, it could delay the start of school until November. However, attorney Teddy Gordon represents the families of the students suing the district and says that is an over-exaggeration.
It would be a major lift to have to redo all of our, without a doubt. So, I'm not the one that does the routing, but I think what Rob said, it's taken us at least 3 months to get to the point where we're routing right now.
That's not true at all. All they have to push a button. They have the same number of drivers they did at the last year. All they have to do, although it's different starting times, is reinstate the plan that they had at the end of the year.
So I'm trying to hold on as long as possible for transportation for him to get to Whitney Young because he has been there since kindergarten.
And despite what happened in court today, Dr. Polio says he does feel confident that school will start next Thursday as scheduled. Meanwhile, coming up today at 5, Dr. Polio shares his thoughts on the magnet school versus neighborhood school debate. With photojournalist Jeff Gordon, I'm Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.